In this video, I will tell you how to download the VK application and how to create a VK account. First, go to Google Play Store to download the VK application. Find the VK application. We will look for the VK application that we want. I can't find the desired VK application in Google Play Store, so download from browser or Google Chrome. I will download the VK application using Chrome. Friends, please download as soon as you are comfortable. I will search for VK APK download. OK, download from the links that are convenient for you from the links that appear here. Download from the UpToDown link. Click on latest version. Please wait while it downloads. After the download is finished, it will be installed. Click on Done and please wait while scanning. After installation, go back to the home screen. After installing the application, create a VK account using your phone number. Click the Sign Up button to start creating an account. Here you have to add your phone number. You have to enter the phone number with the country code. So if you have a Myanmar phone, remove the 0 and start writing from 9. OK, it is very important here. Activation code number will not come to your phone. A call will come to your phone number. The last 4 numbers of the called phone number must be entered instead of enter 4 digits. Enter the last 4 phone numbers here. Here you have to add your name, birthday, and gender. Password must be added here. Enter the password you want to keep. Skip these steps. Here you can select the things you are interested in. OK, I have created a VK account with a phone number. If you have gained any knowledge after watching this video, please like and subscribe ITNet channel. Thanks you for watching video. We will meet again in the next video.